In February 2020, Anil Ambani declared bankruptcy in a UK court while grappling with multiple legal issues. Anil Ambani's financial struggles cast a shadow over the family's empire. Amid these struggles, his eldest son, Jai Anmol Ambani, became a beacon of hope for the former billionaire. Jai Anmol Ambani, the eldest son of Anil Ambani, stepped into the limelight not merely as a beneficiary of his family's legacy but as a dynamic force behind its revival. With a net worth soaring to an estimated rupees 20,000 crore, his journey is a tale of strategic brilliance and personal determination. Despite facing significant financial challenges and declaring bankruptcy in 2020, Reliance Capital Limited saw a revival following the involvement of Jai Anmol Ambani, who was instrumental in rejuvenating the family business, now boasts an estimated net worth of $3.3 billion, over rupees 20,000 crores. Jai Anmol Ambani completed his early education at Cathedral and John Connon School in Mumbai before pursuing further studies at Sevenoaks School in the UK. He pursued a Bachelor of Science degree at Warwick Business School. He began his journey at Reliance Mutual Fund as an intern at just 18 years old. In 2016, he became an additional director on the board of Reliance Capital and was promoted to executive director within a year. He had joined the boards of Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management and Reliance Home Finance by 2018. Jai Anmol Ambani's strategic insight was further demonstrated when he secured a significant investment from the Japanese firm Nippon, boosting Reliance Capital's stock prices by 40%. Jai Anmol Ambani and his family reside in a lavish 17-story tower in Bandra known as Abode, valued at approximately rupees 5,000 crores. This tower ranks among the most expensive residences in India. It features a range of modern amenities, including a helipad, a large swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, and more. He owns a collection of super luxurious and expensive cars with high-end models such as a Rolls-Royce Phantom and a Lamborghini Gallardo, alongside personal aircraft for his professional needs. He married to Krisha Shah, an entrepreneur and social activist. Krisha Shah, daughter of the late Nikunj Shah, is involved in various social causes and runs a social networking company, Disco. During the pandemic, she initiated the Love Not Fear campaign to offer free mental health support to individuals dealing with depression, anxiety, and other challenges. Jai Anmol Ambani's trajectory from educational pursuits to business revival and luxury underscores his role as a key player in the Indian corporate landscape, navigating both challenges and opportunities with remarkable success.